Hey everybody, I'm Alex, and I wanted to give you a tour of my backyard here. A while back we had Medallion Pools come in and install a pool, and we'd never had a pool before in our life, so this is kind of a new experience for us. And I had made a video on the building of the pool from start to finish. If you click up here, you'll see a link for that, and you can look and see what our backyard used to look like before we had a pool. I had noticed in the comments in the pool build video that I made, people wanted to see what it looked like after it was completed with landscaping. So I wanted to give you a little tour of the backyard and what we've done, just so you can kind of check it out. So here is our tiki bar that we made from a shed. We cut the front open and had a flip-up wall so it could be closed in bad weather. So there you have it. That's our pool. That's what we've done so far. Hope you all like it. Maybe get some inspiration. I know we looked through a lot of videos on YouTube for inspiration, and it was a great help. Also, you saw a sneak peek of our tiki bar that we made out of a shed. So if that's something you're interested in seeing a little bit more in detail, I do have some videos of it being built and some pictures. Just leave a comment below and let me know if that's something you all want to see, and I'll make a video about it. Please like and subscribe. I'd appreciate it very much. Thanks.